you live.
Well, it's crisp and cool tonight, but out in the plains, we've got a lot of warm weather right here in the middle part of the country. It's going to surge our temperatures 10 to 15 degrees above normal by late in the week and towards the weekend. But notice the upper low here, which has actually brought some pretty strange weather here to the desert southwest. We've had showers and storms near Los Angeles and San Diego, and hail up to nearly baseball size, believe it or not, in the Phoenix, Arizona area this afternoon. Now, a cold front will swing in from the north, and what's left of this system will begin to eject out here in the plains, and this could bring us at least a few showers late Sunday, perhaps into Monday. But the main weather story, first of all, is going to be on the cold night tonight, but also the fire threat's going to start to come up here over the next few days. We've got some pretty dry breezes in the forecast and some warm weather. So after the cold night tonight, we've got to watch that fire danger in a lot of these fields that are very, very dry right now. In fact, the humidity pretty much Wednesday through Saturday daily is going to be running about 20 to 30%. You combine a wind with that and warm weather, and again, you've got that fire danger in place. Some showers are possible, again, very, very late Sunday into Monday, and then we may actually have some pretty cold weather that tries to move in here at some point next week. Some of the data brings a core of some pretty cold weather into the eastern U.S. After about Tuesday or Wednesday. But tonight, though, pretty cold in our eastern counties. Kokomo up to Rochester at 34, 36 Monticello, 38 at the bus stop in Lafayette, 39 Fowler, and about 39 at Vedersburg and Pine Village. Then the afternoon, mostly sunny tomorrow, a little breezy, very dry air, elevated fire danger. Temps running low to perhaps mid-70s, 75 Lafayette and Fowler and Remington, 73 at Rochester, and about 75 towards Waynetown and Wingate. So after the cold morning, 38 degrees, 67 by noon. There's that wind kicking up, and again by 4, few clouds, 75, wind out of the west-southwest up to 20 miles an hour, relative humidity very, very low during those afternoon hours. All right, let's take it through the next week and a half here. Again, we've got this cold weather hanging on for one more night, a little frost in places, especially east of Lafayette, but boy, mid-week, right into the early part of the weekend, nice big warm-up, over 80 in places here. We'll be in the low 80s by Saturday. Cold front tries to move in Sunday, Monday, with a few showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm as this passes through. And again, it looks like a pretty good cool down at some point later on next week, and this could bring a freeze once again and some frost to parts of the area. Tonight, though, some frost, clear, down to 38 degrees. Tomorrow, the wind kicks up out of the west and the southwest, mostly sunny, 75 for the high temperature, and it stays warm. We're 75 on Thursday, 80 Friday, 82 on Saturday, 80 on Sunday. Again, a few showers, perhaps a couple thunderstorms, and then we get into a cooling trend next week. And again, you'll lose lows in the 30s. Some frost and freezing temperatures not out of the question at some point as we get into next week.
And this could be the last of the really nice weather.
Yeah, the last of the 80s normally. Normally by mid-October, the 80s, that's the last of